Today I'm showcasing my work here at Flow One, and I have such an amazing viewers are here to see my work. Leslie ji, Jaswinder ji, Anil ji, Sonal, Atul Khatri. I hope they all are enjoying themselves, and I'm very delighted to have all of you and showcase my Avtaran series here today. It's all about breaking free from stereotypes and freedom. It's a ode to my previous series called Uran. Avtaranga showcased at Jahangir Art Gallery as well. And this is my sixth solo show, and I'm really delighted. Thank you.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको जसविंदर जी?
ब्यूटीफुल वर्क, बहुत अच्छा काम है। सबसे पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई और ये जो काम आपने किया है, मैं तो आज देखने के बाद मैं सोच रही हूँ कि किसी दिन आपके स्टूडियो आऊँ
Sure.
और देखें कि आप किस तरह इसे करती हैं, क्योंकि सी दिस इज़ इट्स आर्ट अगेन एंड वी आर ऑल आर्टिस्ट एंड वी हैव आवर ओन forte, we have our own way of our conception, how we do our things, like music में हम अपना जो create करते हैं, so this is like a creation. So the way she has created in beautiful colors and such vibrant, and sometimes it's earthy and so beautifully she's done it, which I really appreciate every piece of your work. It's beautiful. Congratulations, and you have many more.
Thank you.
आपको कैसे लग
It's only to look at. The way I see it is you look at it, you stop talking, you start thinking, you start feeling, और so many thoughts, हर एक पिक्चर में अलग thoughts चल रहे हैं, and that's probably her mind, and it's coming out in these various forms. और मुझे क्या अच्छा लग रहा है कि it's breaking away from the stereotype, जो square ही होता है या round ही painting होता है. It's all different dimensions, not just of the painting, but also of the look and the size and the feel of the whole. It's not a given size and fixed look, and I think that's beautiful because see today she's an artist, I'm an artist. I think all of us artists get together. हम जब साथ आते हैं तो एक समझ में आता है. I mean वो सब म्यूजिक जब सुनते हैं उनके हिसाब से, हम जब आर्ट देखते हैं हमारे हिसाब से. बट आई थिंक फंडामेंटली आर्टिस्ट होने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू कैन कनेक्ट विद द अदर पर्सन. वो क्या कर रहे हैं वो हमारा लाइन नहीं है. हम म्यूजिक करते हो, आर्ट करते, पेंट करते, लेकिन मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. और इट्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल. And I really want to wish her all the very, very best and stay rocking.
Atul, you've been with her since exhibition 1. I think you know more
Yeah.
about her and her work than us.
Absolutely. And I can see her work is getting much better and better. And I've come to this space before. I think it's just come up so alive with the paintings and the colors, even the splash of. You come inside, you feel suddenly you feel happy seeing this, the splash of colors all over the place. And I think that's important. And I wish you all the best. एक तो चुनाव का सीजन है, इतने माइक्स देख के पॉलिटिशियन होता है बहुत खुश हो जाता है.
Absolutely.
अनिल जी, आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
अभी भी अतुल भाई ने कहा अगर चुनाव का माहौल जैसे चल रहा है कोई बड़ी चुनौती है देखिए मैं उसी से शुरू करूँगा. इट्स ऑल अबाउट जय सिया राम. It's a paint. It's a portrait of the only temple in India of Sangat Motion Hanuman ji.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
You
Thank
guys are doing wonderful.
you. Yes.
Keep rocking and keep spreading smiles.
Thank you so much. This is beautiful.
ये कोई पॉलिटिकल साइंस नहीं है तो
नहीं, नहीं.
wish you all the best to you.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Badri ji, this is the Juhu has come up alive because of your gallery, the first one. आप उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हम लोगों को ऑपोजिट गिल्ड के बारे में.
Thank you very much. It's really been my dream to get art and culture to Juhu because everybody has to keep going to Kalakoda and Kolaba, and I want to create another district, art district here in Juhu. So steadily working towards that, and with people like Anita and artists, and we have Sonal helping us with the curation as well. So hopefully we have a good team of people who can, put Juhu on the map for all the art lovers and things like that. Yeah.
You are creating history.
Thank you.
Sunal, how do you feel creating this exhibition?
Art is about expression, and I think all expression is about exploration, and all exploration is about experimentation. So I'm very happy that Anita at least tries to break from the stereotype, and I think that itself is something that I think is applaudable.
Let's applaud it.
Anita, you've changed the canvas size, you've changed the texture, you've changed the way your canvases are not flat. So why did you do that?
I hope I'm able to change our country's elementary school system, art education system. So yeah, that's it. That's why I'm aiming to reach the authorities to just get up and do something. Everyone's aware of it. High time we did something about it. It's not that difficult.
But why are you actually changing these things? Is that a rebellion?
Maybe yes. I hope.
I think you
It catches
told me
the eye.
it in very simple terms why you do this and why you want to change the system, especially for the little kids.
Yes.
Can you explain that to them? Because I think that made a lot of sense.
Yeah, I feel a child, like art is very therapeutic. Psychiatrists and psychologists, they all use art as a therapy. And when we are giving art education in elementary schools, if we allow the children to freely express themselves, just draw, paint whatever they want to paint the sky pink, let them do it. But sadly, the kids are reprimanded in the class, in front of the whole class, then why have you painted the sky pink? That child for life doesn't dare to be creative. And it's happening even today in the best schools, even in Bombay. It's really sad.
So here we are artists expressing ourselves in different ways. आपसे 2 लाइन गुनगुनाएं.
अरे प्लीज आज गुनगुनाने वाला.
आज 3 नहीं सिर्फ 2.
That was a good one, brother.
Atul is backing.
I'm trying next on this.
Let's you sing something.
What should I say? Okay.
Sing something.
Something about the way you smile You may never know the reason why. Sari da ba ma ga sa. Something about the way you smile. You may never know the reason why. Sari da ba ma ga sa. Oh Jana, निगाहों में है कैसी मस्तियाँ, हवाओं में है जादू कैसा तबा, बुलाना कहीं देना ये वादा प्यार का, सानी दा पा मा गा मा गा रे सा. All the rock and roll old days of the 90s.
प्यार तो होना ही था, प्यार तो होना ही था, प्यार तो होना ही था, प्यार तो होना ही था.
You should have the last words. You should have the last words. He'll give the last words.
He's going to give the last laugh.
Last laugh, yes.
No, keep on supporting art, keep on supporting music and also comedians. We also have a new art form, we require support.
Sub artists.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you, everyone. God bless you all.
Sir, how does it feel? Anita has grown so much and you've seen her work, so कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
Well, Anita's passion has actually made me grow too. Her passion has cultivated me to look at the art in different formats. Her uniqueness in thinking is so different that even as a doctor, as a husband, I'm seeing a lot of things in different perspectives. I think the way she thinks is very therapeutic from the people who are seeing it from the other angle. Every art which she creates is full of a theme which everybody interprets in their own way. She will not say this is what it should be expressed or understood as. It has to be interpreted by the person with his own perception and the way it looks like. I think I'm blessed to be her companion, blessed to be her spouse, to have this unique, creative person in my life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So I've been following Anita's paintings for the last 2 decades, and she's a very versatile painter, and each collection of hers just outdoes the previous collection that she's done. So whether she's painting Sufi art, or she's doing the Buddha series, or this collection which is more in terms of modern art, I've seen her do sketches of sceneries. Everything that she does is exquisite and full of color. What I love about her paintings is it just brings out the joie de vivre within. You know, you can stare, and each person will have a different. Whenever we talk amongst us friends about how would we decipher that painting, each of us would have a different story to tell on that painting. So that's very brilliant, and I think she's creatively blessed. Thank you.
No, it's always a pleasure coming and watching Anita's work. They are unique in their own way, and they actually reflect her own personality, her happy self. In each painting, you can see a reflection of her own soul. They are that beautiful, and the colors, the shapes, everything speaks. They speak a lot.
Hello, I'm Dr. Anjana Longani. I'm here today at the Aftaran series done by the beautiful Anita Goyal. I have seen her grow from strength to strength as an artist, and at all her openings I feel very privileged to be here. The expression that she has on her pastel, the style of painting that she does, for me it's a very therapeutic experience. The way she expresses herself, the medium that she uses, the techniques that she uses really comes out beautifully, the colors that she uses. I am indeed very happy to be here and as her guest, and I wish her all the very best in the future. Thank you.